back to another video. I have a fun video and I'll be doing a tag video today. This video is going to be show me your dents. So I'm going to go through all my most worn fragrances. Some of these fragrances have been my go-to scent, some of them have been my signature scent. Now what I've done, I've actually ranked my fragrances in order. So I'm going to be starting off with the least dent up until the highest dent. So the very first fragrance, which has the least dent out of them all, would be this one here. This is my Forever and Ever Dior, and this is a beautiful fragrance with freesia. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is fresh, this is clean. Now this is a fragrance that I would normally wear in the summer, and this fragrance is reminiscent of like a wedding day or a spring morning. It's very pretty, very, very feminine, a very delicate fragrance. It's fresh, it's bright, it's clean. So that's by Dior. Now the next fragrance that has a dent in there and this is my Eau de Soleil Blanc. This is a fragrance I enjoy wearing in the summer or on vacation. This is fresh, it's clean, but it's creamy. It's got the coconut vibe, it's got some citrus notes in there, that pistachio note. I love this fragrance for holidays. It just reminds me of being in a bikini, laying on the beach, enjoying the view. It's just beautiful. It's a tropical fragrance. I love this so much. Next fragrance I have is this one here, and this is my Chanel No. 5 or Premiere. And to be honest, this has got quite a good dent in there. If you can see that there, but that has a really good dent, and this was a fragrance I would wear a lot in the evenings. I still do. This is like a more dressed up scent, quite formal. Has some light citrus notes in here and just a milder version of the original, but it's more wearable and I really love this fragrance. The next fragrance I have to show you is a fragrance that I felt like it already came with a dent when I bought it, because as soon as I took this fragrance out of the wrapping, I wore this fragrance every single day. I wore it so much, and this is my Burberry Her. I loved this fragrance. I used to wear this for everything. My goodness, it's very playful. I think it would suit a younger crowd very well. This is a pretty fragrance. So when you see the juice, that's exactly how it smells. It smells pink, feminine, girly, playful. Oh my goodness, I love this fragrance. I used to wear it so many times. You really get that strawberry note. It's just so yummy. It's quite delicious and youthful. So that's my Burberry Hair. The dents are getting bigger now, guys. I promise, I promise. Now, the next fragrance I have, which is, oh my gosh, like one of my first loves, and it's by Christian Dior. This is my Miss Dior. This is a wonderful patchouli, rose. We've got some floral notes in here, some citrus. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's just, this is like one of my favorite fragrances. Just looking at this bottle now, this brings back so many memories. I just love this, love this perfume. It's playful, quite flirtatious, and a little bit sexy. And this is just perfect for daytime. This makes an amazing gift. An amazing gift. Beautiful scent. The next fragrance I have is this one here. This is Jasmine Rouge by Tom Ford. And I love this fragrance so much. This is my going out fragrance. And every time I smell this fragrance, you know, lots of memories come flooding back. It's like fun, dressing up, going out, seeing friends, going out to restaurants, going out to bars. It's just like so beautiful. To me, this is sophisticated, it's bold. I want to say unique. I just feel like it's the way in which the jasmine is blended with the rich spices. I just find it really sexy and alluring. It's a little bit mysterious as well, but it just has a different take on jasmine. For me, I love this fragrance. Oh, it's beautiful. Sorry, I could just sniff this all day. It's beautiful. There, you can see where the dent is for that one there. Okay, so the next fragrance I have is this one here. Of course, it's Coco Mademoiselle. Now, this is my favorite fragrance. Oh my gosh. This is it was a signature scent. But this is still on my like to go to list. Like if I want to grab something, then it would be this. It's just easy, it works all the time, it's sophisticated, it's feminine, it can be sexy, it's playful, it's everything. And it's very modern, a very modern rose patchouli scent. And gosh, I just love this fragrance. So the next fragrance I have is this one here. Again, another Chanel fragrance, and this is my Chanel Low. Oh, guys, this is just soapy, soft. You know, I want to say soapy, which it is, but don't get it. It's not that kind of soap. It's like a clean, soft, musky, powdery, soft soap. The lemon, the bergamot that's in here with the rose patchouli vetiver. It's fresh, it's clean, and this is a fragrance that warms up on your skin. So in the opening you've got the lemon, you've got all the citruses in the opening with that heart of rose, but on the skin, when that patchouli starts to come through, it really warms up on the skin and it just melts into this powdery, delicate fragrance. It's so fresh, clean and feminine. If you are new to Chanel No. 5, I would always suggest this one. It makes a great gift as well. It's just so pretty. So that's my Chanel No. 5 Low. The next fragrance. Okay, so I have the next fragrance here for you. And it's this one here. It's my Viktor & Rolf's Flowerbomb. Look at that dent, guys. Honestly, look at that dent there. This is a fragrance I wore so often. This was my romantic date night scent. This is my evening scent, whether it was in the summer or in the evenings, in the winter. I used to wear this in the daytime. I used to wear this all the time. The fragrance with the largest dent. I can't believe how big this dent is. This is by Chanel and this is my Chance au Tendre. Now this scent, guys, when I tell you about this perfume here, I wore this as a signature scent, I would say around 2000, maybe 15, 16, I wore this every single day. And then prior to that, before it became like my true signature, I used to wear this only in the springtime. April and May, I would wear this scent. But there was a period of time, maybe for like 2 years, I wore this every single day. This is a scent you can wear so easily. It's soft, it's floral, you've got the grapefruit notes in here as well. You've got rose in this fragrance. It's clean, it's fruity, and it's quite delicate, and I would say this is very girly. It's got like a powdery, sweet note to it. And this is like a go-to spring fragrance. This is something you wear with a white dress or a floral dress, maybe thin straps, slippers. This is the proof, okay? These are my... Okay, so I think again it's Chanel that wins because I've got Chanel here, and yeah, we've got lots of Chanel winning here as always. So that's the proof there. I think I am a Chanel fan, most definitely. But those are my favorite fragrances that have the largest dent. The camera's run out of battery, so I'm actually filming on my phone, so I hope the quality is okay for you guys. So in terms of repurchasing, so I'm going to go through those quickly now. I hope everything looks okay still. I hope you guys don't mind. So let me just get these ready for you. So what would I repurchase? Oh guys, this is such a hard one. Okay, so a definite repurchase is Miss Dior. Always, always, always. This is not the current Miss Dior that they have now. So this one has actually been discontinued. This is my 2011 version. So if I could repurchase this fragrance in a heartbeat, I would purchase this now if they remade this one. But even still, with that being said, there is the newer version, Miss Dior, and I do like that one, but this is still my favorite. So for this fragrance, a most definite yes for this one. Soleil Blanc is a yes, I would repurchase this. Beautiful holiday fragrance, most definitely that one. My Flowerbomb Nectar, if this was to finish tomorrow, then that's fine. I'll just replace it when I feel the need for this fragrance again. But you know, it's still a beautiful fragrance. is so sweet, it's lovely. And Coco Mademoiselle. Okay, so would I replenish this? I mean, I need to get through this bottle, which I don't know how long it's going to take me to get through this fragrance here, this bottle. But yes, I would replace this one. Would I replace this fragrance here? Yes, I would, but again, like Flowerbomb, I'm not in a rush to replace this fragrance. This fragrance is so similar to the original. Now, if I eventually get through the whole of this bottle, I'm not in a rush to replace it, but within time, I would replace this one. Forever and Ever Dior. I do like this fragrance a lot. It's fresh, it's clean, like I said. But would I replace this fragrance when it finishes? I think, again, this is a fragrance I wouldn't replace, only because I have so many fragrances that's similar to this. And I think when this finishes, again, I would try to miss the fragrance, and then in the future, I would replace this one. Chanel No. 5 Low. I think you guys already know the answer. Of course, I would replace this fragrance. This is my favorite out of the Chanel No. 5 collection. This one is fresh, it's fruity, it's clean. I would have to replace this. I love this fragrance so much. Yes, of course, yes, that one. Oh, the next one is Burberry Her. This is a fragrance, wow. It's so sweet, playful, a bit sticky. It's just, oh, it's quite yummy. This fragrance is lovely. Would I replace it? Probably not. I mean, I like this fragrance a lot, and I know it's going to take me a while to get through the whole bottle. So I think once I'm through with this bottle, I will give it like a little break, try to miss it, and then in the future, I might repurchase it again. And here, this is my Jasmine Rouge. It's not even finished, and I'm already thinking about replacing it because I love this fragrance so much. I can't imagine not having this perfume in my collection. Oh my gosh, it just reminds me of my friends. It reminds me of a particular venue. It reminds me of good memories, happy times. Oh, I just love this perfume. That's my Jasmine Rouge. So yes, of course, I'm going to replenish that one. And lastly, I have my Chance Eau Tendre. And with this perfume, I think I will definitely replace this one, because this was one of my signature scents. I love the fruitiness of this. It's sort of, you know, green citrus notes in the beginning with the grapefruit, but the heart of this, the powdery musk, the sweet tones in this, and then the floral. To me, it's just something I can just spritz on easily. It's such an easy fragrance to wear. Oh my gosh, I love this perfume. So yes, definitely that's in the yes, replacing. So darlings, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for those who voted as well. Okay, so those are all my picks for my most used fragrances and the fragrances I will be repurchasing. So darlings, I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.